Hi and welcome back to Creative Edmo. If you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe. Here is today's vocab test. It's an 11-lettered word and it means extremely sad or full of sadness. Any guesses? Well, let's find out its answer. So when you have to describe something or someone as extremely sad, the word used is melancholic. 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 And how can you use it in sentences? He spent his time listening to melancholic songs. That means sad songs. This word can also be used as melancholy, an intense feeling of sadness. For example, he was deeply aware of her melancholy. If you found this video helpful, kindly like, share, comment and subscribe to Creative Edmo. Thank you. Keep watching and keep learning.